Hello dear students and teachers, welcome back to my channel. We'll continue with the unit coordinate geometry. In this video, we will learn an important topic, area of a triangle. In the previous videos, we have learnt distance formula and problems on it, and we have learnt section formula, midpoint formula and problems based on it. Now in this video we will learn last concept, that is area of a triangle. Dear students, do subscribe the channel if you find my videos are useful. And students, do you know to calculate area of a triangle when its base and height is given? Yes, area of a triangle is given by half into base into height. This is the formula used to calculate area of a triangle when its base and height is given, that is area of triangle equals half into base into height. What in case if the coordinates of the vertices are given? The vertices are A, B and C. Its coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Then the area of triangle ABC is given by the formula area of triangle ABC equals, if the coordinates of the vertices are given, then the area of triangle is half into x, just I'll write the easiest way to remember, x, y minus y and again x, y minus y plus x into y minus y. Now students, first you write like this, then write 1, 2 and 3 in the cyclic order, that is x1, y2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then next it will be 2, 3, 1. Next it will be 3, 1, 2. That is area of triangle ABC when the coordinates of the vertices are given is half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. I'll repeat again, do repeat with me. Area of triangle ABC when their coordinates of the vertices are given, it is given by the formula half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. The easiest way to write is write half into x y minus y plus half x y minus y plus x y minus y plus x y minus y. Then write it 1 2 3 and 2 3 1, then 3 1 2, 1 2 3, that is x1 y2 minus y3 plus then 2 3 1, next 3 1 2. So very simple formula, definite 3-mark question for your exam. Students, make a note that If you are calculating area, area is a measure which cannot be negative. Area cannot be negative. If you get the answer as negative, write it as positive. Now, next note, if the area of a triangle is 0, that means the vertices are collinear. If the area of triangle is 0, if the area of triangle is 0, that means the points are what? Collinear. What do you mean by collinear? All the points lie on the same line. If the area of triangle is 0, that means the points are collinear. Students, hopefully you have understood area of triangle when the three vertices are given, that is area of triangle ABC equals half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Important note, area cannot be negative, and also if the area of triangle is 0, that means the vertices are collinear. Now we'll solve the exercise 7.3. Moving to the first question, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4. The first step is write down the points. Students, what are the points? The points are 2, 3, then minus 1, 0, then it is 2, minus 4. Now consider 2, 3 as x1, y1, this as x2, y2, then x3, y3. What is x1? x1 is 2, y1 is 3, x2 is minus 1, y2 is 0, then x3 is 2, y3 is minus 4. Now, what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC equals half into x y minus y plus x y minus y plus x y minus y. Now I'll name it as 1, 2, 3, next 2, 3, 1, next 3, 1, 2. Now what is the next step? The next step is substitute the values x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. That is area of triangle ABC equals half into, what is x1? x1 is 2. What is y2? y2 is 0 minus of minus y3 is minus 4. What is x2? x2 is minus 1. I'll put it in the bracket. Then y3 is minus 4 minus y1 is 3. What is x3 now? x3 is 2, y1 is 3 minus y2 is 0. Now area of triangle ABC equals half into 2 times minus into minus plus 4 plus into minus minus 1 minus 4 minus 3. We have two negative numbers, therefore add and put bigger number sign. We get 4 plus 3 is 7, bigger number sign is minus, therefore we get minus 7 plus 2 into 3 minus 0 is 3. Now half into 2 times 4 is 8, minus into minus plus 1 times 7 is 7 plus 2 times 3 is 6. Now what we get? Half into 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. Therefore, area of triangle is 1 into 21 is 21 divided by 2 square units. Therefore, the area of the triangle formed by the vertices 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4 is 21 by 2 square units. Put the final answer in the box. That is, area of triangle is 21 by 2 square units. Very simple and easy to score 3 marks. Just you need to remember the formulas, then substitute the coordinates and simplify, you will get the answer. Students, now moving to second question of the exercise, we need to find out the area of triangle when the vertices are minus 5, minus 1, 3, minus 5 and 5, 2. The first step is write down the coordinates, that is minus 5, minus 1, then 3, minus 5, then 5, 2. Now consider minus 5, minus 1 as x1, y1 and 3, minus 5 as x2, y2, then x3, y3. Now what is area of triangle formula? Area of triangle ABC is area of triangle ABC equals half into x y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. Now I'll write 1, 2, 3. Next 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Now area of triangle ABC equals, substitute the values, that is half into, what is x1? x1 is minus 5, half into x1 is minus 5, then y2 is minus 5 minus y3 is 2. What is x2? x2 is 3, y3 is 2 and y1 is minus 1, minus of minus 1 plus x3 is 5, y1 is minus 1, y2 is minus 5, therefore minus of minus 5. Now we get area of triangle ABC equals half into, when negative coordinates are there, just be careful, that is minus 5 into minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. You are adding two negative numbers, plus 3 times minus into minus plus 2 plus 1 is 3. The same way, plus 5 into minus plus, therefore minus 1 plus 5 is 4. Now area of triangle ABC equals half into minus plus, 5 times 7 is 35 plus 3 into 3 is what? 9 plus 5 into 4 is 20. Now what we get? Area of triangle equals half into 35 plus 9 is 44. 44 plus 20 is 64. Now 64 into 1 is 64 divided by 2. 6 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 times 2 is 4. Therefore, area of triangle ABC equals 32 square units. Area of triangle is what? 32 square units. Now put the final answer inside the box. Area of triangle is 32 square units. Students, few practice questions for you. Do solve these questions so that it will be easy for you to remember and also to solve in the exam. There are 4 practice questions are there. Do solve all the questions. Students, now moving to second question, that is second main, very important, most repeated questions in the examination paper for 3 marks. In each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. We need to find out the value of k such that the conditions are what? Area of triangle formed by these points are collinear. If the points are collinear, we know that area of triangle will be 0. Now the first step, write down the points, that is 7 comma minus 2, then 5 comma 1, then 3 comma minus k. Now consider 7 comma minus 2 as x1, y1, x2, y2, then x3, y3. Now the important condition is if points are collinear, if the points are collinear, that is area of triangle is 0. Area of triangle will be equal to 0. Now what is the formula to find out area of triangle? That is half into x y minus y plus x y minus y plus x y minus y equals what? 0. That is area of triangle will be equal to 0. I'll write 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. Now substitute the value of x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3. Now 1 by 2, if you cross multiply, 2 into 0 is 0. Now I'll not write this. That is, what is x1? x1 is 7 into y2 is 1 minus y3 is minus k, minus of minus k, then plus x2 is 5, y3 is minus k, minus y1 is minus 2, x3 is 3, y1 is minus 2, minus y2 is 1 equals what? 0. Now 7 into minus into minus plus, therefore we get 1 plus k, plus 5 times minus k, minus into minus plus, we get plus 2, then 3 into minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 equals 0. Now multiply 7 into 1 is 7, 7 into k is 7k, that is 7 plus 7k. Now plus into minus minus, 5 into k, 5k, plus into plus plus, 5 into 2 is 10. Now plus into minus minus, 3 into 3 is 9 equals 0. Now group all the k terms, that is 7k minus 5k is 2k. Now 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 minus 9 is, we get 8. I'll repeat. 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 minus 9 is, we get plus 8 equals 0. Now 2k, shift plus 8 to RHS, it becomes minus 8. Therefore k equals minus 8 divided by 2. Therefore we get k as minus 8 divided by 2 is minus 4. Therefore the value of k is what? Minus 4. Student, therefore the value of k is minus 4. In the textbook, the third point, that is 3 comma k, you can try taking plus k, you will get k as plus 4. Here I have taken the question as 3 comma minus k, but in the textbook it is 3 comma k. Now we can try by taking it as 3 comma k, you will get k as 4. For my question, k is what? Minus 4. Now moving to the second question, 8 comma 1, k comma minus 4 and 2 comma minus 4. What is the first step? First step is write down the points. 8 comma 1, next k comma minus 4, then 2 comma minus 5. Now consider it as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now if given condition is what? If points are collinear, then area of triangle equals 0. Students, in the exam, write this condition, will get half marks. Now what is the area of triangle formula? It is half into xy minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y equals 0. Now I'll write as 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Now substitute the values x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. That is, cross multiplying 2 into 0 is 0. Therefore, what is x1? x1 is 8 into y2 is minus 4, y3 is minus 5, minus of minus 5, plus x2 is what? K, y3 is minus 5, minus y1 is 1, plus x3 is 2, y1 is 1, y2 is minus of minus 4 equals 0. Now 8 into minus plus, minus 4 plus 5 plus k into minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6 plus 2 times minus into minus plus, 1 plus 4, we get 1 plus 4 equals 0. Now minus 4 plus 5, we get 8 into, do subtraction, that is 5 minus 4 is 1, bigger number sign is 1 as it is, plus k into minus 6 as it is, plus 2 times 1 plus 4 is 5 equals 0. Now 8 into 1 is 8, plus into minus minus, 6 into k, 6k, plus 2 times 5 is 10, that is plus 10 equals 0. Plus 8 plus 10 is 18, minus 6k equals 0. Shift minus 6k to RHS, we get plus 6k, therefore 6k equals 18. This implies k equals 18 divided by 6. The value of k is what now? K equals 6 times 1, 6 times 3 is 18, therefore k equals 3. Therefore the value of k is what? 3. Just the condition, the points are collinear, that means area of triangle will be equal to 0. Substitute the values x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 and simplify, we get the value of k as 3. Students, if you find my videos are useful, do subscribe the channel and join my Telegram group, which is, the link is provided in the description. Now practice question for you. Find the value of k if the points a of 2, 3 and b of 4, k and c of 6, minus 3 are collinear. Find out the value of k if the given vertices of the triangle are collinear. If the points are collinear, then the area of triangle will be equal to 0. Moving to third question, find the area of the triangle found by the joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0, 3, and also find the ratio of this area to the area of given triangle. Students, consider triangle. Now another triangle is formed by joining the midpoints of this triangle, that is the vertices a as 0, minus 1, vertices b as 2, 1 and vertices c as 0, 3. We need to find out the midpoints of AB, that is P, midpoint of AC is Q and midpoint of BC as R. We need to find out the area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR, and also we need to find out area of triangle ABC. To find out the area of triangle PQR, we should find out the coordinates of P, Q and R. How to find out the coordinates of P? Is the midpoint of A and B. Therefore, by using the midpoint formula, we can find out P, Q and R. Therefore, students, we know the midpoint formula. What is midpoint formula? x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. x2 plus x1 by 2 and y2 plus y1 by 2. Now what we need to do? We need to find out midpoint P, that is midpoint P equals, that is midpoint of A and B, that is x2 plus x1, that is 2 plus 0 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2. What we get? 2 plus 0 is 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. Therefore, the point P is what? Point P is 1 comma 0. Now we have got point P. In the same way, find out point Q. That is 0 plus 0 divided by 2. That is x2 plus x1 is 0 plus 0. y2 plus y1 is 3 plus into minus minus 1 divided by 2. Therefore 0 plus is 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Therefore the point Q is 0 comma 1. What is the point Q? The point Q is 0 comma 1. In the same way, what we need to do? In the same way, we need to find out point R. Point R equals, that is midpoint of B and C, that is x2 plus x1 is 0 plus 2 by 2 comma 3 plus 1 by 2, that is y2 plus y1 is 3 plus 1 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 2 is 2. Therefore the point R is what? 1 comma 2. Now put it in the box. Point R is 1 comma 2. Now students will shall find out the area of triangle PQR. Find out the points, that is P is 1 comma 0, Q is 0 comma 1 and R is 1 comma 2. Take it as x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 by 3. Now what is area of triangle? Area of triangle PQ. Area of triangle PQR equals half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 plus x3 2 3 1 3 1 2. Now just substitute the values, that is area of triangle PQR equals half into x1 is 1 comma y2 is 1 y3 is 2 plus x2 is 0 into y3 is 2 minus y1 is 0 plus x3 is 1 y1 is 0 minus y2 is 1. We get half into 1 into 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 0 into anything is, this becomes 0 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Therefore we get half into 1 into 1 is 1 plus into minus minus. The same way plus into minus minus we get minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. So since area cannot be negative, therefore area of triangle PQR is plus 1 square units. Therefore area of triangle PQR is what? Plus 1 square units. Now students, we need to find out the ratio of triangle PQR with triangle ABC. Therefore we need to find out the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle Before that, we'll write down the points. Therefore, it will be easy to. Point A is 0, -1. Point B is 2, 1. And point C is what? 0, 3. Consider it as x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. Now, area of triangle ABC equals half into x, y minus 5. I'll write the formula again so that it will be a practice for you. X, y minus y plus x, y minus y. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Now substituting the values, area of triangle ABC equals half into, what is x1? x1 is 0, y2 is 1, y3 is 3, plus x2 is 2 into y3 is 3, minus of minus 1 is plus 1, plus x3 is 0 into y1 is minus 1, y2 is minus 1. Now 0 into anything is 0, this becomes 0. In the same way, 0 into anything is 0, it becomes 0. Now half into 2 into 3 plus 1 is 4. Now 2 and 2 will cancel out, we get 4 square units. That is area of triangle ABC equals 4 square units. Put it in the box. Students, you need lot of patience to solve these problems. Don't be in a hurry. Now what we need to do, we need to find out the ratio of triangle PQR with area of triangle ABC. What is area of triangle PQR? It is 1 square unit divided by area of triangle ABC is 4. Therefore, the ratio is what? 1:4. The required ratio, that is area of triangle PQR divided by area of triangle ABC is 1:4. Students, I'll repeat the concept of this problem again. There is an area formed by the points 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3, and another triangle is formed PQR, which is nothing but midpoint of this vertices. We need to find out both area of triangle PQR and area of triangle ABC. To find out area of triangle PQR, we need to find out the coordinates of PQR by using midpoint formula. Then we need to find out the ratio. That is, we got it as 1:4. Now students, moving to fourth question of the exercise, we need to find out the area of quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2, 3. We need to find out area of quadrilateral whose vertices are. Now let me draw a quadrilateral so that it will be easy to understand, and we'll see how it is related to area of triangle. Students, consider quadrilateral as shown in the figure. Point A as what? -4, -2, and point B as -3, -5, and point C as what? 3, -2, and point D as 2, 3. Now I'll split this quadrilateral into two parts, that is sum of two triangles, triangle A, B, D and DBC. I'll join DB. Students, now I've joined the points B and D. Now the quadrilateral is sum of triangle ABD and DBC. We need to find out area of triangle ABD and DBC separately. Then you need to add the area of these two triangles to get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Now the first step will find out the area of triangle ABD. Now the first step is we'll find area of triangle ABD. What is point A? Point A is -4 comma -2. Point B is -3 comma -5, and point D is what? 2 comma 3. Consider it as x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. Now area of triangle ABD equals, we get half into x y minus y plus x y minus y plus x into y minus y. That is 1 2 3 2 3 1. Next 3 1 2. Now substitute the values x1 y1, x2 y2, and x3 y3. Now half into x1 is -4 bracket, y2 is -5, minus y3 is 3, plus x2 is what? x2 is -3. I'll put it in the bracket. Now y3 is 3 minus y1 is -2, minus of -2, plus x3 is 2, y1 is -2, and y2 is minus of -5. We get half into -4 into -5 minus 3 is -8, plus into -3 into minus into minus, plus 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 2 into minus into minus, plus we get -2 plus 5 is 3. Therefore half into minus into minus plus, 8 4s are 32, plus into minus minus, 5 3s are 15, plus 2 times 3 is 6. Now the next step, what we get? Half into 32 minus 15 is 17, plus 6. What we get? Area of triangle ABD equals 17 plus 6 is 23 divided by 2 square units. Therefore area of triangle ABD is what? 23 by 2 square units. Now students, what is the next step? In the same way, we need to find out area of triangle DBC. We need to find out triangle DBC. Now we'll write down the point D, point B, and point C. Point D is 2 comma 3, and point B is -3 comma -5, and point C is 3 comma -2. Now consider it as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now area of triangle DBC equals half into x y minus y and x y minus y plus x into y minus y. Consider it as 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Now the next step is just substitute the values. Half into x1 is 2 into y2 is minus 5 minus of y3 is minus 2, therefore minus of minus 2 plus x2 is minus 3 and y3 is minus 2 minus y1 is 3. Students, you should be very careful while substituting the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. If you substitute any coordinate wrong, you will not get the answer. What is x3 now? X is 3, y1 is 3 minus y2 is minus 5, minus of minus 5. Now to get half into 2 times minus into minus plus, minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. The same way plus minus 3 into minus 2, minus 3 is minus 5 plus 3 into minus plus, 3 plus 5 is 8. Half into 2 into 3 is 6 plus into minus minus plus minus into minus plus, 3 5s are 15 plus 3 times 8 is 24. Half into minus 6 plus 15 is 9 plus remaining number, that is 24. What we get? 9 plus 24 is 33 divided by 2 square units. Now area of triangle DBC equals 33 by 2 square units. Students, what we need to find out? We need to find out the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Area of quadrilateral ABCD equals area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle DBC. What is area of triangle ADB? It is 23 by 2. 23 by 2 plus area of triangle DBC is 33 divided by 2. Since the numerators are same, directly add the denominators are same, directly add the numerators, that is 23 plus 33 divided by 2. We get 56 divided by 2. We get 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 8, that is 28 square units. Therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD is 28 square units. To find out the area of quadrilateral, what you need to do is find out the area. Split the quadrilateral into sum of two triangles. Area of two triangles. Find out the area of two triangles separately, then add it. You get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Students, a practice question based on finding the area of quadrilateral, that is, if A minus 5 comma 7, B minus 4 comma minus 5, C minus 1 comma minus 6, and D 4 comma 5 are the vertices of a quadrilateral, then we need to find out the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Moving to last question of the exercise and also last question of the chapter. Very interesting question. And the question is, students, we know that we have already studied in class 9 that a median of a triangle divides the triangle into two equal areas. That is, consider triangle ABC whose vertices are what? A of 4 comma minus 6 and B of 3 comma 2, 3 comma minus 2, and C of 5 comma 2. Let me draw a triangle. Students, consider triangle A, that is 4 comma minus 6, and B as what? 3 comma minus 2, and C as 5 comma 2. Now a median, that is AD, is the median which divides the triangle ABC into two equal areas. We need to find out it, or we need to verify this result. We need to check whether area of triangle ADC is equal to ADB. Now to find out triangle ADC and also ADB, we should find out the point D. How to find out the point D? Point D is the midpoint of B and C by using midpoint formula. What is midpoint formula? That is x2 plus x1 by 2. The same way y2 plus y1 by 2. Therefore point D is what? What is x2? 3. x1 is 5 divided by 2. What is y2? y2 is minus 2. y1 is 2 divided by 2. So point D is what? 3 plus 5 is 8 divided by 2 is 4, comma minus 2 plus 2 cancel out, 0 divided by 2 is 0. Point D is what? 4 comma 0. Now we need to find out area of triangle ADC and also triangle ADB. To find area of triangle ADC, that is point A, point D, and point C. Point A is 4 comma minus 6, point D is 4 comma 0, and point C is 5 comma 2. Therefore area of triangle ADC equals half into x y minus y plus x y minus y plus x y minus y. 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. Now which is equal to half into, I'll consider this as x1 y1 x2 y2, x3, y3. Substitute the values now. x1 is 4, y2 is 0, minus y3 is 2. x2 is 4, y3 is 2, minus y1 is minus of, minus 6 is plus 6. x3 is 5 into y1 is minus 6, minus of y2 is 0. Half into 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 into 4 is 32, plus into minus minus, 5 into 6 is 30. Now what we get? Half into plus 32 minus 30, what we get is minus 8 plus 2. Half into minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6. Therefore, minus 6 divided by 2 is minus 3. But we'll consider it as plus because area cannot be negative. We get plus 3 square units. That is area of triangle ADC equals 3 plus 3 square units. Since we cannot take negative value, or since area cannot be negative, we got area of triangle ADC as plus 3 square units. What is the next step? We need to find out area of triangle ADB. Area of triangle ADB, angle, so point A, point D and point B. What is point A? Point A is 4 comma minus 6. Point D is 4 comma 0. And point B is 3 comma minus 2. Consider it as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now area of triangle ADB equals half into x y minus y plus x y minus y plus x y minus y equals half into 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. What is x1? x1 is 4 into y2 is 0 minus y3 is minus of minus 2 is plus 2 plus x2 is 4, y3 is minus 2, y1 is minus 6, minus of minus 6 is plus 6 plus x3 is 3, y1 is minus 6, y2 is 0. We get half into 0 plus 2 is 2, 4 into 2 is 8. The same way 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 into 4 is 16. The same way plus into minus, minus 3 6 are 18. What we get? Half into 8, 16 minus 18 is minus 2. We get half into 8 minus 2 is 6. Therefore 6 into 1 is 6, 6 divided by 2 is plus 3 square units. Therefore area of triangle ADB is also 3 square units. Students, we can say that area of triangle ADB C is equal to area of triangle ADB. Therefore, what we can infer, we can say that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. The median of a triangle divides the triangle into two triangles which is of equal areas. This is what we have verified in the last question, that is fifth question of the exercise. Students, hopefully the complete coordinate chapter you have understood. If in case if you have not understood any question, do watch the video again and again until you understand those steps. If you find my videos are useful, do subscribe the channel, and also I have provided the Telegram link in the description. Do join, and also I'll share this complete notes in my Telegram group. Soon I'll be solving MCQ questions and revisions of other chapters. Again, thank you for watching the video.